Good morning. Happy Friday. It's quite a nice day outside. Not very warm, but at least it's nice and sunny. I was supposed to be going to see Kelly today, but the plans got shelved because Gigi's daddy was poorly. So he didn't go in work on Wednesday. So he's gone in work today, which is usually a day he works from home. But he's gone in work today to make up for the day he missed. So I've got Gigi. It's quite a good swap really, isn't it? Well, first of all I want to answer Anna, was it Anna? Who left me a message saying she liked the sweater I had on in the last video. And did I have the pattern? It was a Doris Chan Whoopsie. I had started from the neck going downwards and it was supposed to be a V-neck sweater. But I get down to here and I discover I'd forgotten to increase. Because you're going top down. To increase for the V. So I thought, oh, what am I going to do? So I chained across the bit that was missing, if you know what I mean, and continued all the way down. So then I finished up with this sweater that was like that with a big square neck, but it was really low because it was down to the armholes. So I'm like, what am I going to do now? So I crocheted either side in with a shell pattern and put buttons down it. I did confess to Doris Chan what I'd done, and she said, that's not a mistake. She said, it's a design element. So whenever you go wrong with a pattern, it's a design element. So I designed element that sweater. So I can't tell you exactly what I did because it was a complete whoopsie from start to finish. Anyway, I got a message from my online friend Mary. You know her as Mary's Chit Chat. She lives in Ireland. She said, can I have your address? She wanted to send you a little something. So like my idea of a little something and Mary's idea of a little something is something different. I was expecting a little parcel. No, instead of which I get this. So thank you very much, Mary. It did arrive yesterday, but it was actually quite, well, I say quite late. It wasn't late really, but it was like going dark. And I like to film my videos in the daylight if I can. So I didn't open it, although the postman had a good job by putting a hole in it. But I resisted the urge to have a peek. But I will have a peek now. If you're all ready, I have no idea what's in here. I love getting gifts, it's so nice. Not that I'm begging for any, please don't get me wrong. But it's so nice to get gifts, isn't it? I'm sure you all agree. I would send more out, as I've said before, but the postage to the US is just out of this world. The only thing I can afford to send these days would be a card. And I'm terrible about sending cards. So if you don't get Christmas cards from me, don't worry because I don't send anybody any. So I haven't been singling you out to miss you, you know what I mean. Yeah. I give my son a Christmas card because he's my son. And I give my immediate family a Christmas card because I think my sister-in-law might be a little upset if she didn't get a card from me. But apart from that, no. My ex-husband was the one who used to spend half the Christmas writing out the cards. Yeah. Well, I have got a letter. Oh, it's a card. It's a card, it's a card. Oh, that's pretty. It's got a dress on it. Isn't that pretty? Just me with my flowers. Oh, she sent me. I wanted to share some of my yank yarn with you. Oh, thank you, Mary. That's lovely. Mary's Crochet Chit Chat. I knew I'd get the name wrong. Go along and watch her because it's lovely. I love it when she goes for her drives in the countryside. Because even though I live quite near to Ireland, I've never been. So it's so lovely and green and beautiful. Oh, what have I got here? Oh, some lovely stitch markers. The little stars. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see these because the camera doesn't pick them up very well. Can you see them against the black of my sweater? Little stars. Oh, look, I've got other, I thought they were all little stars, but they're not. Just hang on a moment. I've got a little owl. Whoop, stop swinging. A little owl. And, oh, that looks like a little angel. I think it's an angel, it's got something written on the back, but you know me, no glasses, as usual. Ooh, which way am I going? That way, little angel. And this one is, oh, a map of Ireland, that's nice. I would love to go to Ireland, it's so beautiful and green and so pretty. But I don't know why I've never been, it's not that far. When we did have a car, we could have popped over on the ferry. But we never did. Don't know why. It's a little map of, woo, where am I going that way? Little map of Ireland. That's very nice, thank you very much, Mary. Now I'm going to go into the box. Ah, it's exciting. Not my birthday till the end of the month, but I feel like I'm having presents everywhere. Right, let me see what I've got. Oh, she's squashed it in very well here. Oh, she's got one of those machines, hasn't she, that squashes everything. Sorry, Mary, I'm going to undo it. I can't see it when it's got all the air squashed out of it. It's sweet rolls. Yeah, I've never had any of this before. Sweet rolls, 245 yards, 5 ounces. It's sort of worsted, is it? Does it say what it is? Does it say what? Oh, it's number 4, yeah, it's a worsted. I'm telling you all this and I'm not even showing it, Yana. There we go. Greys and there you see the camera's blowing out again as usual and I'm turning it the wrong way. Sweet roll, that's the colour of it. That is so pretty and there's 3 of them. Don't have to find room for this. Might just use it instead. Oh, what's this one? Shawl in the Ball. And it's, what colour is it? Community Coral. Shawl in a Ball, Community Coral. And it is me because I like these shades, you know, purples and fuchsia colours. They're just my kind of colours. And I've got 2 of them. Yay, 2 of them, aren't they lovely? I've heard so much about this. In fact, I think I've even got one ball upstairs that someone sent me. But these are things that we don't get in the UK, you know. Excuse me. And I haven't brought a drink with me either, and I've got a frog. Are these the ones that have the pattern on the back? I think they are. When will I learn to bring my glasses? I think they've got the pattern on the back of the label. Not sure. But I love it. Thank you very much. That's beautiful colours. Ooh, beautiful colours. And what have I got here? I love the way you squash this up, Mary. It's really sucked all the air out of that one. I'm going to have to get one of these machines. That suck the air out of everything. I remember the first one I ever got was a ball of very expensive sock yarn that I'd bought. And When it arrived, I thought, this can't be my sock yarn, because the package was just completely flat. And it was all squashed up like this. Oh, Sweet Rolls Sprinkles. Is this a number 4 again? Yes, this is a number 4 again. I've got 3 balls of this one, which is called, if I can find it, it doesn't seem to have a name. Doesn't seem to have a name. It's very, very pretty. I have to put it close to, hope you can focus, because it's blowing out. The sun, I shouldn't complain, should I? The sun is blowing it out. That's lovely colours. It reminds me of a sweater I made for myself when I was about 17, when I was knitting. And it was greens and lemons, and everybody loved it. But it wasn't like random, because there wasn't random back then when I was 17. You had green, you had yellow, and you chose how to mix them up yourself. And I think it's so pretty. I've got 3 of those. 3 of those. And I've got, oh, very similar shades, but this one is called Cupcake. That's the end of my box. Put that box there. This one is called Cupcake. Again, I've got 3. It's a Lion brand Cupcake. And it's a number 3 weight. Oh my goodness, it's got 590 yards on the ball. Oh, that'll make a lot, won't it? It's similar colours. It's got the lilacs in, which I love, and the greens and the lemons. That's so beautiful. Oh, I'm a lucky girl today. I'm a lucky girl today. Well, you've just made up for me not going to Kelly's today, Mary. So thank you so much, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I don't know what to start next, because I haven't shown you yet, because I haven't actually, when I say I've finished, I have this bad habit of saying I finished something, when I mean I finished the crochet. I've actually finished the crochet off of my niece's unicorn blanket, her scarf and her hat, but I haven't sewn the motifs on, and I haven't fringed the scarf, so it's not really finished, and I haven't crocheted the unicorn yet, so that's not finished. And it's the same with her brother's. I've still got to sew the patches on, you know, the Griffey Nod patterns on his blanket and his hat and his scarf. Then I can put them away upstairs and say, I've started my Christmas present shopping. Actually, I have started my Christmas present shopping early, because I bought 2 presents already, and they're upstairs in the. But this year I must find a place to put them, because last year I bought Christmas presents over the months before Christmas and discovered a couple of them in January, which I hadn't given. So I've got to be a little bit more organised this year. So I don't know what the rest of it is doing. I need to start a new project, but if I start a new project, I'm not going to fringe that scarf on that. But still, it's a Christmas present, so I really don't have to do it today. Procrastination is my middle name. I'm so naughty. I really should do the fringing, and then it will be done. What have I got to tell you? Not a lot, really. Kelly was very busy yesterday taking loads and loads of photographs, you know, for the Lancashire Crafty Lasses shop. And my niece is going to take me just down to Kelly's tomorrow, flying visit, just while I drop the rest of the crochet off that hasn't been photographed, and bring back the things that she has photographed, and then I can list them in the shop by putting, you know, the prices and the sizes and the what have you got, yeah. So she's done a sterling job. I don't know how many photographs she took yesterday, which took a lot. So watch this space, lots more things to be going up there. It's been a lot of hard work because we had so much stuff that we had made in the past. Mine had been on Etsy, but as you know, I decided I was going to let things slide on the Etsy side. So they were just like languishing without photographs, without being anywhere. They were being, poor little things were being neglected. So when we started our own web page up, we decided we would revive them all and give them all another area, if you know what I mean. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Well, that's what Kelly's doing at the moment. She's got the brunt of the hard work. I've just got the lazy-itis and not done anything much at all, really. But, you know, I won't say I'm having a brilliant day. I'm not having a good day with the back, so I don't think a whole lot of things is going to get done today. I'll just pace myself and see what I can do. Hey, it's great, isn't it? It's great. I've got another appointment for the pain clinic on the 20th. So we'll see what they have to say when I go back there. What treatment they've decided to allocate to me. We shall see. Maybe it'll be like... I don't know what they'll suggest. But you have to keep smiling, don't you? There's no point in being miserable. I shall just do my best to do what little bit of housework I can do today and then decide what I'm going to crochet next, and that's an exciting thing. I love having to choose. I go in the stash room and I look at what I've got, look at all the colours I've got and decide what I'm going to make next. It'll probably be something accessory. Oh, there's my doggy woofing at me. They're still outside doing the roadworks, so he's probably upset with somebody. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't much of a long woof, was it? He gets upset when they're walking past with the hard hats on and the bright yellow high-vis jackets on. He gets a little upset. Anyway, as I was saying, I was probably going to do something maybe on the lines of accessories, you know, cowls, and Kelly's done some more hats. I've got some more hats, and I had some more hats that I'd made last year, and so they've gone down to Kelly's to be photographed. And yeah, I think that's what I will do next. So I hope you're all having a good day, and the weekend's coming up. As I say, tomorrow morning early I'm going to Kelly's, with my niece giving me a lift, of course. Quickly swapping over, things to come back, things to go down there. Then I'm going food shopping, which is always a chore. Well, does anybody else hate food shopping? I really do hate it. I go every week because I have to, yeah. But I'm not a cook. I'll hold my hand up. Not a cook, yeah. I get in trouble with my diabetic nurse, or diabetes nurse I should say. I get in trouble with everybody because I'm not eating the proper things, I'm not looking after myself, I'm not doing this and that. But you do what you can do, don't you? If you can't do it, you can't do it. And I'm not making myself in lots and lots of pain just to cook myself a dinner. No. In fact, I ordered a Chinese dinner last night. But I make it do too nice because there's always way too much food for me in one session. I know I eat wrong, but I don't eat huge meals, I just eat the wrong things. But we shall see what we shall see. Anyway, I'm going to upload this video now. And thank you very much, Mary. That was not a little parcel. I was expecting maybe a couple of balls in an envelope. You have gone to excess, Mary. You've gone to excess. Not that I don't love it, but I do. Anyway, I'm off now. And I shall see you all, if not, well, I won't see you before, but I'll see you all tomorrow on the live, yeah? So bye-bye for now, and have a good day.